What's going on, guys? I have a big bobblehead here. I'm gonna call it a double bobblehead. It's humongous. And we're definitely only gonna show one side on display, because I'm not a Patriots fan. Alright, right off the bat, very cool. I can already tell the base, you can spin the base. Here's the base. You can spin it. That's awesome. The rings, I was not aware if you could take the rings off or not, but you could definitely take the rings off. And here we go. Of course, is Tom Brady's bobblehead. I believe I sold one on eBay. It was pretty high. I think it sold for like $225 if I'm not mistaken. The guy was super cool who bought it for me. Alright. So there's Brady. Very, very cool. And then let's get Brady on the other side. Yeah, these sold out on the Forever Collectible website. And then I thought I had bought one for myself. I only bought them to sell them. Was the Tom Brady on like the throne? But hey, that's where everything happens for a reason. But here we go. There's Tom Brady on that side. Let me get this so you guys can see it better. There it is. Very, very, very cool. Very, very awesome. Worth every penny.